And yesterday was such a cool day. It was still pretty muggy. We had the sea breeze with us, and those clouds kind of just mixed in with the smoke, and it just looked pretty ominous out there. And that's what we're dealing with this morning. It doesn't look a lot prettier from this view, but you know it's smoke that is adding the pink and orange hue to the skies to that sunrise as we look towards Ramona this morning. One of the warmer spots, in fact, 72 degrees there. Most of the county in the low to mid 60s, so it is quite a bit cooler across the county this morning. And as far as those winds go, looking at all the East County in particular, the foothill and mountain areas going up to the North County, Hellhole Canyon gusting to 41, Big Black Mountain at 34 miles per hour, Hamul at 6, but you go just a little north or just a little south or just a little east or west, and we're seeing winds in excess of 20 miles per hour. So 10 News Futurecast highlighting those foothill and mountain areas as those peak Santa Ana winds this morning. They'll be with us through the early morning hours. I think after about 9 or 10 o'clock, they really start to taper off, and then by this afternoon, the sea breeze actually returns. So we're going to see those winds flip-flop again to that onshore flow, those westerly winds. Then late tonight into early tomorrow morning, those winds weakly turn back offshore with another round of much weaker Santa Ana conditions. Won't be as windy, but it is going to be pretty dry. The fire weather threat through about 9 a.m. is at that moderate to high category. That's why that red flag warning is in effect for the inland, foothill, and mountain areas. It does continue until 8 p.m., but again, the worst the conditions will be happening over the next several hours. Along the coast, temperatures will mostly be trending in the low 80s through Friday, 70s over the weekend, but pretty close to 80 degrees for the next 7 days. Inland neighborhoods will mostly be in the low 90s, a few mid 90s today. I'm forecasting about 93 in Escondido today. Smoky for at least the next few days, and depending on how the winds change across the entire state will really determine how much smoke we're going to be dealing with in the days ahead, because we're not just seeing smoke from the Valley Fire. We're seeing a lot of smoke from fires burning to the north of us. The mountain areas will be back in the 80s by Friday, and the desert areas enjoy the 90s today. You're back near 110 by Sunday.